This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening My Maps and signing in. Make sure you use the account that stores your location so everything syncs. Once done, create a new map or choose an existing map to edit because you want to work directly where your data lives. Next, set a clear title, pick a base layer that matches your needs, and set an initial zoom so viewers see the right area immediately. This prepares the canvas for adding places and routes. Now you add and organize places. Search addresses or drop pins to place markers, and edit each marker so the name and details are accurate. Use layers to separate categories, like restaurants, stops, or priority sites, because layers keep complex maps manageable and filterable. Once markers exist, add photos and descriptions, and pick custom icons to convey meaning at a glance. This helps you and others navigate the map more efficiently and spot important locations without guessing. Finish by drawing routes and measuring distances to confirm travel plans, then set directions between key points so you can follow the sequence. Share the map with collaborators and choose view or edit permissions to control contributions, because collaboration often reveals missing data. Export KML or CSV if you need offline copies, and test the map on mobile. If layers disappear or sync fails, refresh, confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.